Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel where we discuss the intake manifold absolute pressure map sensor, called map sensor. What is map sensor? The manifold absolute pressure sensor is a key component in the engine management system of a vehicle. It measures the pressure inside the intake manifold and provides this information to the engine control unit or powertrain control module. The ECU uses the data from the map sensor to calculate the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing for optimal engine performance. The map sensor helps the ECU to determine the engine load, which is important for fuel injection and ignition timing control. It also plays a role in controlling turbocharged or supercharged engines by providing the ECU with information about the pressure in the intake manifold. A malfunctioning map sensor can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and even engine stalling. Therefore, it is important to regularly inspect and maintain the map sensor to ensure proper engine function. Modern vehicles often use digital map sensors, which are more accurate and reliable compared to older analog versions. These sensors can be calibrated and tested using diagnostic tools to ensure they are functioning correctly. Overall, the map sensor is a crucial component in modern vehicle engines, helping to optimize performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. Now we will discuss on 10 symptoms of bad map sensor. Number 1. Poor engine power. A manifold air pressure sensor that reads low pressure on the intake system signals low engine load to the car computer. The computer then tries to compensate by reducing the fuel ratio entering the cylinders. This will lead to an increase in fuel economy and poor engine power. Limiting the fuel ratio in the engine causes higher temperatures in the combustion chamber. This increases nitrogen oxide production in the engine unit. Number 2. High fuel consumption. A manifold air pressure sensor that reads high pressure on the intake system signals high engine power. This will cause the powertrain control module to send more fuel into the cylinders. This will cause high fuel consumption. Number 3. Failed emission inspection. A common map sensor symptom of diesel is a failed emission inspection. A lousy map will cause gasoline and diesel vehicles to fail emission tests. The tailpipe emission may show high levels of carbon monoxide, low carbon dioxide, high nitrogen oxide production, or high levels of hydrocarbons. Number 4. Rich air-fuel mixture. If a greater volume of gas is mixed with air, it is called a rich air-fuel mixture. It will cause fouled spark plugs, carbon deposits on the spark plug tip and thread, bad gas mileage, gasoline smell from the exhaust tailpipe, and it can clog the catalyst converter. Number 5. Lean air-fuel mixture. If more air volume is mixed with fuel, it is referred to as a lean mixture. This will cause excess heat in the combustion chamber, which will lead to severe engine damage. Lean air mixture produces harmful emission effects to the atmosphere. It produces toxic emissions, such as nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide. A lean mixture can cause an engine knock. If this occurs, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Number 6. Engine misfiring. You may wonder, can a bad map sensor cause a misfire? If a vehicle does not meet the required air-fuel mixture ratio, it'll affect the combustion process. If the combustion cycle is compromised, it may cause the engine to misfire. Number 7. Rough idling. Improper air-fuel mixture ratio will starve the cylinders of gas or air. This will cause engine vibration, rough idling, and even random cylinder misfire. Number 8. Hard starting. Conversely, an excessively rich or lean fuel mixture will cause a hard engine to start. If your vehicle will only start when you depress the gas pedal, inspect the manifold air pressure sensor. It's likely the cause. Number 9. Check engine light. If you have a car manufactured from 1996 upwards, it'll register an error code once it detects issues with the map sensor. Common errors associated with the map sensor are that the vehicle may log diagnostic trouble codes P0106, P0107, P0133, or P0299 for cars equipped with a turbocharger/supercharger. Any of these error codes will trigger a check engine light. Diagnose your vehicle at a repair shop and pull out the codes. You can also do this at home with an OBD11 scan tool. This will help you determine if the error results from a bad map sensor or other system malfunctions. Number 10. Engine stalling, hesitation, or stumbling. When you depress the accelerator pedal to speed up your baby ride or pull off from traffic, the engine may stall, stumble, hesitate, or bog. These are map sensor symptoms on petrol and diesel engines. All these show an inadequate air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. It can also mean a sudden importation of air into the combustion chamber, and the engine finds it challenging to adjust to this sudden change. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the next video. Stay healthy.